Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to film this very fun all over pink look with the pink brow. I hope you guys like it. If you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. I am going to be priming my eyelids with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot because I will be using the James Charles and Morphe palette, and he recommended that you use an actual eye primer instead of concealer to help with the blendability of these eyeshadows and to prevent staining. I do recommend you do this if you're going to be doing this look because the pink will stain your eyes. I'll be using this shade right here in the James Charles and Morphe palette, and the name of it is Skip. Any hot pink eyeshadow will really do. And I'm going to start blending that everywhere. Alright, now that I've got that all over, I'm going to go in with another fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Pinkity Drinkity, which is a lighter pink, to kind of just blend out the edges. Now I'm going to be taking Love That on a MAC 217, which is like a pinky, it's like a fuchsia. I'm going to put that out here on the outer corner. And blend that into the crease. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to be taking the Colourpop Slave to Pink Super Shock eyeshadow. And I'm going to be applying that all over my lid with my finger. On a brush, and I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus. This just helps to intensify the color even more. I'm gonna go in and pick up just a little bit of the Skip shade and just run it. Flash Hydro liquid eyeshadow. It's just like kind of like a glitter eyeshadow. And I'm going to dab it on the inner part of my eye, and then I'm going to blend it out with my finger. Alright, now I'm going to be doing my liner. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to do the same thing I did in my last video, and that's take a black eyeshadow. This is Spooky from the palette, and just run it along where I put the eyeliner. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to take these off and clean up any fallout on my face. Alright, now I'm going to take the Smashbox primerizer primer to prime my face. Ignore my nails. They look terrible. foundation in the shade Pearl. And I use a beauty sponge, which is what I prefer. Okay, now I'm going to set that with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose setting powder. Bacon blot powder and white just to brighten up my under eyes. And everywhere else I put concealer. Now I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and run it along down here. I'm going to be putting pink eyeshadow. Shade from the James Charles palette. I'm putting it down here on my lash line. Now I'm going to be going into the black Spooky, putting it really close to my lashes and connecting it to my liner. About 3/4 of the way, and I've blended it out, and now I'm going to go back into that Slave to Pink Colourpop shadow. I'm just going to pop it right here in the inner part. Alright, now I'm going to take the LA Girl Shockwave liner in Pop and run it on my waterline. Alright, I'm on a tight line and curl my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm gonna be using the Lancôme Monsioe Big mascara. This is my favorite high-end mascara. Gigablack on my bottom lashes. This is the best lower lash mascara. Okay, now for an inner corner highlight. highlights, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Oohlala palette. I'm going to go in the shade Tickled. But I'm going to be taking the Colourpop gel liner in the shade Boots, which is a hot pink, to do my eyebrows. You totally skip this part if you don't want to do the pink brow and just do your regular brow routine. To take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm gonna use that as blush. Okay, now I'm going to be going into the Flower Beauty highlighting palette into the middle pink shade. I also put some of the blush on my nose. You can totally skip that. If you skip this, maybe tone down the blush and do a regular eyebrow. This is a lot more wearable. To intensify the pink of that, I'm going to go into this sleek highlighting palette in the shade Solstice, and I'm going to be going into the shade Hemisphere, which is like this pinky lilac shade. Same liner I used. This would work better if you have a pink lipstick, but like I said, I don't usually use pink, so I don't own any. To finish it off, I am going to set my face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm going to pop on a clear gloss. This is Extra Poppin' by Lancôme. It's one of their wet cherry glosses. That's it for this look. It's very pink, very fun. I like it. If there's anything that you guys would want to see, make sure you let me know so I can film it. But that's it for today. Until next time, bye.